Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of camping gear. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just starting out, having the right equipment can make or break your outdoor experience. In this video, we'll review 7 of the best camping gear essentials that will enhance your comfort and convenience on your next trip. Let's get into it. At the first position of our list, we have LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. When you're out in the wilderness, access to clean water is crucial. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is a game changer in this regard. This compact, lightweight filter allows you to drink directly from streams and lakes without worrying about harmful bacteria or protozoa. Its design is straightforward yet highly effective, featuring a hollow fiber membrane that filters out 99% of waterborne bacteria and 99.9% of protozoan parasites. The build quality of the LifeStraw is top-notch. It's made from BPA-free materials, ensuring that it's safe and durable. The filter is designed to last up to 4,000 liters, which means it will serve you well on numerous trips. Its usability is excellent. You simply sip through the straw, and it works instantly without needing a pump or additional equipment. One of the standout features of the LifeStraw is its ability to improve water taste, making it more pleasant to drink. The filter is also very easy to clean and maintain, which is crucial for long-term use. Given its high effectiveness and long-lasting durability, the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is an essential piece of gear for any camping enthusiast. Moving on to the next at number 2, Flask Camping Hydration Flask. Staying hydrated on your camping adventures is essential, and the Flask Camping Hydration Flask is a top choice for this task. This flask is engineered with high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, which makes it incredibly durable and resistant to rust and corrosion. The design incorporates double-wall insulation, which keeps your beverages hot or cold for hours, a feature that is particularly useful for both chilly mornings and hot afternoons. The quality of the Flask is evident in its build. It's available in various sizes, allowing you to choose one that fits your needs. The lid is designed to be leak-proof, ensuring that you can carry it in your backpack without worrying about spills. The flask also features a wide mouth, making it easy to fill, pour, and clean. In terms of usability, the Flask is both practical and versatile. It comes with 3 different lid options: a spout lid for easy drinking, a straw lid for a quick sip, and a handle lid for easy carrying. This flexibility makes it ideal for different scenarios and preferences. Overall, the Flask Camping Hydration Flask is a robust, versatile option for staying hydrated on the go. Coming in at number 3 is the INTEX Dura-Beam Air Mattress. Comfort is key when camping, and the INTEX Dura-Beam Air Mattress is designed to provide just that. This air mattress is constructed with FiberTech technology, which uses thousands of high-strength polyester fibers to provide added stability and support. This design helps maintain the mattress's shape and ensures a comfortable sleep surface. The quality of the INTEX Dura-Beam is evident from its robust construction. It's made with a durable, puncture-resistant material that is built to withstand rough outdoor conditions. The air mattress is also equipped with a built-in electric pump, making inflation and deflation quick and hassle-free. Usability is another highlight of this air mattress. It inflates to a standard height, making it easy to get in and out of bed. The mattress's surface is designed to be plush and comfortable, providing a good night's sleep even on uneven ground. The durability of the INTEX Dura-Beam ensures that it will last through multiple camping trips, making it a reliable choice for your outdoor adventures. Next at number 4, we have Rainleaf Microfiber Travel Towel. When it comes to drying off after a swim or a shower, the Rainleaf Microfiber Travel Towel is a standard product. Made from ultra-soft microfiber, this towel is highly absorbent and dries incredibly quickly. It's perfect for camping trips where space and weight are at a premium. The quality of the Rainleaf towel is impressive. It's designed to be lightweight and compact, folding down to a small size that fits easily into your backpack. The microfiber material is not only efficient at drying but also gentle on the skin, making it comfortable to use. One of the key features of the Rainleaf towel is its antibacterial properties, which help prevent odors and keep the towel fresh. It also comes with a convenient carrying pouch, which makes it easy to pack and transport. Overall, the Rainleaf Microfiber Travel Towel is a practical and high-performing accessory for any camping trip. The number 5 position is held by Titan Deep Freeze Cooler. Keeping your food and drinks cold is essential for a great camping experience, and the Titan Deep Freeze Cooler excels at this. This cooler is designed with a premium insulation system that includes a radiant heat barrier and a triple layer of insulation. This design helps maintain ice retention for up to 5 days, even in hot weather. The build quality of the Titan Deep Freeze Cooler is robust with a durable exterior that can handle rugged outdoor conditions. It features a reinforced base that is both puncture and scratch resistant, ensuring that it will last through many camping trips. The cooler also comes with a leak-proof lid that includes a built-in gasket, which helps to keep the cold air in and the warm air out. Usability is a strong point for this cooler. It has a spacious interior that can hold a large quantity of food and beverages, and the included adjustable shoulder strap makes it easy to carry. The Titan Deep Freeze Cooler also includes a convenient bottle opener, adding to its practicality. With its excellent insulation and sturdy design, this cooler is an essential item for any camping adventure. Number 6 position is dominated by Flask. Hydration canteens are another great option for staying hydrated while camping. Similar to the camping hydration flask, these canteens are made from high-quality stainless steel and feature double-wall insulation to keep your drinks at the desired temperature for hours. The design of the Flask hydration canteens is both stylish and functional. They come in a range of sizes and colors, allowing you to choose one that suits your style and needs. The canteens are equipped with a leak-proof lid and a wide mouth for easy filling and cleaning. Quality-wise, these canteens are built to withstand rough use with a robust construction that resists dents and dings. The usability of the Flask hydration canteens is enhanced by their versatility. They can be used for hot or cold beverages and are compatible with most car cup holders. With a durable build and effective insulation, these canteens are a reliable choice for outdoor hydration. Finally, the number 7 position is held by BESTSUN Tactical Flashlights. When camping, having a reliable flashlight is essential for navigating in the dark. The BESTSUN Tactical Flashlights are designed to deliver powerful illumination and durability. Featuring a high-performance LED bulb, these flashlights provide a bright beam that can reach distances of over 500 meters. The build quality of the BESTSUN Tactical Flashlights is impressive. They are made from aircraft-grade aluminum, which makes them lightweight yet durable. The flashlight is also water-resistant and impact-resistant, ensuring it can withstand harsh weather conditions and rough handling. Usability is another highlight of this flashlight. It includes multiple lighting modes, including a strobe and SOS mode, which can be useful in emergency situations. The flashlight is powered by rechargeable batteries, which are easy to replace and charge. With its bright illumination and rugged design, the BESTSUN Tactical Flashlights are a valuable addition to your camping gear. There you have it, our top picks for camping gear that will enhance your outdoor experience. From staying hydrated to getting a good night's sleep, these products are designed to make your camping trips more comfortable and enjoyable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and outdoor tips. Happy camping!